Let's make these delicious Dulce de Leche ice cream bars using the same caramel we used making my brigadeiros from last week's recipe. These ice cream bars are surprisingly easy to make as you simply combine your ingredients and whip together to make a creamy and smooth ice cream. Don't forget to go back and make the Dulce de Leche sauce and let it chill overnight. It's a simple 2-ingredient recipe. This caramel sauce can be used to make numerous recipes as well as these ice cream bars. If you do not have these ice cream bar molds, you can use individual serving bowls with lids and put your chocolate and toppings on top. I did this with some of my mix and it was equally delicious, and I liked how it allowed for some toppings to be mixed in and sprinkled on top. After inserting your sticks, don't forget to cover the tops and put it in the fridge for at least 8 hours, or even better, overnight. In order not to have too thick of a shell for your ice cream bars, you will need to thin your chocolate out with some coconut oil. I like using the refined coconut oil to eliminate any coconut flavor. You will not need to temper your chocolate for this recipe. Simply melt and stir in your coconut oil. Also make sure the chocolate is not overly warm so it does not melt your ice cream. You can sprinkle on your topping of choice. I'm using a hazelnut praline topping here, but any nuts or even dried raspberries would be nice. Or simply drizzle on top with another chocolate. And that's how easy they are. You will never want to buy ice cream bars again. Let me know in the comments if you tried this recipe and how you liked it.